Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 5.3, multiplying and dividing radicals. Alright, so this is kind of like algebra again. So we're going to just remind you about what you would do in algebra when you FOIL. I'm going to use red actually. When you FOIL, what do? Well, you're just multiplying it into the brackets. So this would be x squared plus 3x, right? So if you FOILed into the brackets, that's what you do for algebra. So what about with radicals? Well, radicals are the same sort of process. We're going to multiply into the brackets. So if we did that, we would be left with 2 times 3 inside the root, minus 2 times 2 inside the root. Okay, and if we simplified this, we would have 3 root 6 minus 2. 2 times 2 and then square root of that, so it would just be 2. Okay, so hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. Let's try another one out. Here we're FOILing, okay, but we're FOILing on top first, and then we're going to FOIL the bottom. So x squared minus 4x. And now let's FOIL out the bottom, so 2x, so plus 2x minus 8. And so if we simplify that, we would have x squared minus 2x minus 8 as our final answer. And so same process for the next one. Where's my mouse? Same process for the next one. We're going to FOIL out the top first. I'm just doing it very carefully so it's very clear. So first we're going to have let's do it very carefully. Minus 3, 2 to the 3, like that. Okay, and then our second set is going to be like this, so plus root 2 times 3 minus root 3 times root 3, like that. Okay, and then we can simplify it further, and it might not be quite all the way. We're going to actually do it down here. So that our first part is 2 minus root 6 plus root 6 minus 3. And now you can see the root 6 adds and subtracts, so those cancel. So our total is 2 minus 3, or just negative 1. And so this is helpful because we can actually solve this without a calculator and get an exact answer of negative 1. All right, now you guys try it. Go ahead and pause the video at this point. Try it, simplify it as much as you can, and then press play and see if you get the same answer as I do. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same sort of process as before. There might be some differences, but to start, we're going to multiply the 3 times the 4, which is 12. Oh, no, let's do it one step at a time. 3 times 4 times by 2 times 5. I'm going to do it one step at a time. Very carefully. 3 times 7. 3 times 5. Okay, the next part is in green, so plus 2 times 4 root 2 times 6 plus 4, again, skipping ahead, 2 times 7, 3 times 6. All right. So now what we can do is simplify it a little bit. So we can get 12 root 10 plus 21 root 15 plus And now here's what's interesting is the 6 can actually be put into a 3 and a 2. So then we can take out a 2 out of our square root. So this will be 4 times 4, so 16 root 3 plus, and then over here we can take out a 3 out of our radicals. So 14 times 3 is 30, 42 root 2. And I'm just looking at this. Can I actually simplify any further? I don't think so. I think that's about as simple as it can be at this point. So not much simpler, but hey, it's a little bit simpler. Okay, and maybe sometimes things can cancel out. So if they did, you could cancel more things out. All right, hopefully that this video helps you guys understand multiplying and dividing radicals a little bit better. Good luck.